Welcome back. Still watching Business Morning. Now we head to the UK, where it's all about inflation right now. The year of the squeeze unfolding right before our eyes. Well, inflation data is out in the UK. We have Juliana right there with the details. Great to have you, Juliana. So it's a 40-year high, 9%, borderline double digit, but consumers have said it feels like double-digit inflation. Hello, Juliana. Well, I don't know if I don't think Juliana can hear me right now. We'll try to get Juliana back on the line. Well, let's look at what's happening in other markets now. We have the crypto space. We see the Fear Greed Index trading at around 12% this morning, showing extreme fear. We're looking at the Fear Greed Index showing sentiment in the crypto market. We see the market cap there, it's at $1.9 trillion. That's down about 1.13%. Volume traded $76.45 billion, down about 14.38% this morning. And Bitcoin dominance sitting at 44.29%. We get those figures on the screen. Price of Bitcoin, we see it's at $29,925. That's down about 1.57%, and volume traded $29.04 billion in Bitcoin. Ethereum trading $2,074. That's down about 1.65%. So it's mostly red in the market, in the crypto market right now, even with the top alts by market cap, just eCash in the green. All right, let's bring in Rume Ofi now, digital market analyst. Hello, Rume. Great to have you. Good morning.
Good morning, Ladi. Thank you.
Right, Rume. Well, Rume, it's a bear market from global equities to the crypto market, all hitting lows not seen in a while. What should retail traders be doing at this point?
Yeah, it's not an easy
not an easy time.
Period. Yeah, exactly. Some of us are now in a way immune to this because we've been in it for a while now. We saw a similar case in 2017, 2018, and even the COVID period as well. So it's a situation of we haven't thick skin. Just aside saying that we're diamond hands as well. I think what retail investors should do now is to buy. This is a very huge discount price, right? You've seen 50% down, some altcoins 70% down, 80% down. But also take note that you need to buy things that are of good utility that solves problems, right, in the ecosystem. And also, this is a time to also study because this industry is beyond just buying coin and it pumps 50%, 20% and all. Study and understand the industry very well so that you can create a path for yourself, more like a career kind of thing.
Quite interesting. Now, we know a lot of people talk about buying the dip, but what happens when you don't have money to buy that dip, Rume? But another, something else in the news now, we see President Nayib Bukele of El Salvador announce about 44 countries for the meet in El Salvador to discuss Bitcoin. We have about 32 central bankers and 12 financial institutions. What can we expect from this meeting?
I think I quite love this meeting, 40 central banks, and I actually see a situation where this news was blown out of proportion in some sort because a lot of people say it's about Bitcoin, it's about cryptocurrencies, and the president is saying that it's not really about cryptocurrencies, is most especially the discussion around financial inclusion and digital economy. Africa has some very huge amount of unbanked people. In fact, I was checking some days ago about the high numbers of unbanked countries in the world, and I think we also take center stage as a country. Nigeria, we're amongst the first 10 in the world. I think we're third in Africa, which means that there need to be more financial inclusion. But in this time, it's going to be more of a digital economy. We need to encourage people to get involved. Now, this discussion is being a bit close to in making it look like it's Bitcoin or cryptocurrency, because El Salvador is actually heavily involved in cryptocurrency. But I know those discussions there's not going to be a bit exempted. But I think the world needs to see how far a lot of people that are not financially inclusive, they need to come in through this digital transformation that is going through the world. It could be through some form of other payment, alternative payment method, maybe like the CBDCs, right? But the truth is, we see how far. The most important thing is that people should be included so that the economy could head to its progressive direction. Putting side by side that inflation is everywhere, and the top economies of the world are actually experiencing it in a very hard way. Maybe because we're used to the double digit. That is why we're not really saying much about it. But the truth is, we need to get involved more in ways of paying, financial inclusiveness, and some other things that will help people to do business more effectively in this part of the world.
Quite interesting, because we know how President Bukele likes to buy the dip anytime Bitcoin goes down. So I'm guessing everyone just believes this meeting is all about Bitcoin. But now we see Robinhood is developing non-custodial crypto wallets. They're launching, some of these non-custodial crypto wallets. How is that going to work?
Robinhood has been really massive. Robinhood is a stock. Is a platform where people go buy stocks, young people, most especially young demographic in the US. And a lot has been coming up since they said that, they are going to more involve themselves in crypto asset. But before now, they were doing it in a way whereby you could not withdraw your crypto asset. Now it has been made to go through a process whereby you can invest your crypto asset there and actually withdraw it. But now that they are going to get themselves involved in custodial, it only means that a lot of attention is going to go towards that extent, considering the fact that a lot of the young persons actually got into using Robinhood to trade. And in their wait list then, about 2 million plus people were actually waiting to see how far they could get involved with their new wallet system, where people can also invest and actually withdraw to other wallet systems. But now they are coming to say, we're going to do non-custodial. It's going to make a lot of sense. Why? You have a wallet, they provide a wallet for you, you put your money, transferring your fiat to cryptocurrency and holding it.
Right.
So it makes a lot of sense, and it's going to be inclusive for finance in that space there in the UK.
All right, Rumi. Well, Robinhood always finds a way to get in the news. Thank you so much, Rumi. It was great talking to you. I'll catch you again some other time.
Thank you very much, Ladi. Always a pleasure.